Welcome to the Prince Kitchen. Today we are going to see a delicious recipe which is known as prawn cutlets. So let's go and see the recipe. I hope you will all like it. The ingredients for the recipe are prawns 500 grams or half kg, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, fennel seeds or sombu, cumin seeds or jeera seeds, 100 grams of boiled gram dal, 20 grams of chana dal, 2 eggs, 3 boiled potatoes, salt to taste, oil, water, breadcrumbs. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes, 5 green chilies which I have slitted, 2 onions, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and curry leaves. Yes viewers, now let's start seeing how to make this delicious prawn cutlets. I have taken the kadai and I have on the gas. Now let's take 1 glass of water. And let the water come to a boil. Now we can see that the water is boiling and now we can add the boiled gram dal. Let us mix it well. We have already boiled the gram dal, viewers. Now let us add the prawns. And mix it. Let us add some salt. You can take half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of red chili powder, one-fourth teaspoon of garam masala, and now nicely mix it. Now we can add half teaspoon of jeera seeds, half teaspoon of sombu seeds or fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and nicely mix it. We can add the curry leaves, two onions sliced, 2 tomatoes sliced, 5 slit green chilies, and coriander to taste. Now we can mix the mixture well and we can wait till all the ingredients get cooked well. You can keep it in medium flame and cook it. Now viewers, you can see the mixture is cooking, and we have to cook the mixture till the water evaporates and the whole mixture becomes dry. Yes, now we can see that the prawn mixture has become dry. The water has evaporated. Now we can off it and allow it to cool down. Now the mixture has cooled down and we can put all the mixture into the mixie jar. Now we are going to take the mixture and put it into the mixie jar. We can take half of the mixture since we have to mix it with potatoes and chana dal. I will take little potatoes and I will take little chana dal. Now we are going to grind this into a paste. Now viewers, you can see that we have ground the prawn mixture into a fine paste, and we had added chana dal and potatoes to it later, and now we have ground it into a fine paste. Okay, now after this what we will do is we will make small patties out of this prawn mixture, and we will make cutlets and we will dip it into the egg, and then we will just roll it in the breadcrumbs and then we will fry it. Okay. Now I have taken the 2 eggs and I have beaten it with the help of a fork, and I have taken the breadcrumbs. Okay. So now we will be making the cutlets and we will be dipping it into the egg mixture, and then we will be rolling it in the breadcrumbs and frying it. Now we have taken oil in a kadai and we are heating the oil. Meanwhile, we'll make the cutlets and we'll be putting into the pan. Now viewers, I have taken the egg mixture and the breadcrumbs. I have made small round, and now I'm dipping it into the egg mixture nicely and then rolling it in the breadcrumbs. Now viewers, you can see I made the patties, the cutlets, and I had dipped it into the egg mixture and then rolled it in the breadcrumbs, and now I'm going to take it and put it inside the oil. We have kept the gas in medium flame. Once the oil is heated nicely, we can keep it at a low flame and then we can fry the cutlets. Now we can turn over the cutlets and see that it is getting fried very well. Now our cutlets have got fried well. We are taking it out. Prawn cutlets are ready with tomato sauce and it is ready to serve. So friends, you will see that we have made so tasty prawn cutlets today, and I hope you all enjoyed this delicious recipe. So please like, share and subscribe the Prince Kitchen. Thank you.